Navin here, and as promised, we meet again this week for this test drive episode. As a recap, last week I've done the in-depth review for the CTV. It comes with a 1.5 litre double wake cam iVTEC engine. The exterior features an all LED lights for the headlamp, the turn signal, and the daytime running lights. The CTV also comes with the Honda Lane Watch camera, and if you opt for the CTV Sense, it will equip with the Honda Sensing safety suit. The interior, on the other hand, is wrapped with a combination of ivory and black color leather for the door card, seat, and also the trim on the dashboard. It also features an 8-inch infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. The meter cluster features a minimalist design with a combination of analog and digital screen. For the CTV Sense, it comes with a combination of a 7-inch TFT meter and analog meter as well. The tire that is equipped with this CTV variant is the same size as the one in the CTRS. It comes with 185, 55, 16 with the same wheels design minus the two-tone color tone. There you go, a quick recap for the Honda CTV variant, and do take note that this feature is the same with the new Honda City V-Sense, except the new variant is equipped with the Honda Sensing City Suit. And now, let's see how's the Honda CTV drive. Test drive experience, we will like to test the performance of this newly upgraded engine as well as the comfortability. The CTV is equipped with a proven 1.5 litre double wake cam iVTEC engine that produces 120 horsepower with 145 Nm of torque. The power delivery feels more energetic with the pedal shift in place. It also helps you to get immediate acceleration if you are doing overtaking or going uphill to Genting. I personally feel that the engine is much more quieter from inside the cabin. It could be that Honda Malaysia has upgraded the insulation, and the NVH level for this car is much better compared to the outgoing model. Yes, you do hear the engine roars whenever you hard press the accelerator, but for me, the sound is acceptable for this price bracket. The seats are comfortable. As I'm 178 cm tall, the seat hugs me well with the fully adjustable manual seat. I can set the seat to my preferred settings. As for the ride handling, the whole range of Honda comes with the McPherson strut up front and the torsion beam for the rear suspension. I feel that the experience is not the same as the CTRS. CTRS feels more planted to the ground when doing the hard cornering, and for the CTV it feels a little bit lighter at the back. Not much, just I can feel it lighter. It could be because of the battery pack that is located underneath the boot space of the CTRS. All in all, the handling for the Honda CTV is acceptable for B segment. Just to remind you that this is normal daily driving car for a normal person like you and me. If you are looking for spirited driving, then you are looking in the wrong segment. As for the braking performance, all Honda City variant is equipped with the ventilated disc up front and drum brakes for the rear, except for the City RS variant. It is equipped with all-round disc brake. The braking performance is quite good for CTV, even though there is no disc brake for the rear, as the CTV is equipped with the electronic brake distribution and the brake assist as standard. The computer that manages these two systems will help a little in managing the braking system. As for the fuel consumption, on papers, this car is rated at 5.4 liters per 100 kilometers, and we feel it is quite accurate. When we start driving this car, it was about half full tank, and after the whole day driving in town, it only uses 1 bar of fuel. There you go, a short test drive experience for the Honda CTV. And as a reminder, Honda Malaysia just launched a new variant, which is basically the V-Spec with an additional Honda sensing safety suit. And as always, if you'd like to get a new Honda, you can contact me at the number in the description below. And if you want to know more about the Honda sensing safety suit, you can click at the link above. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button to get latest video from us. And tune in to our channel next week for something special in blue. I'm Navin signing off for this week's episode. The Honda Guys. We are all about Hondas. See you next time. Bye bye.